Hi guys, how are you? It's Umar. Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to record your screen on iPhone. So first of all, you guys need to go to the App Store. After that, just search the Ultra Recorder and it will show that Ultra Recorder, Screen Recorder. Just click on that and then this tab will open up. On this tab you guys can see that I've already downloaded it, but you guys need to download and install this. After downloading and installing this app, when you open this app it will look something like this. Click on the record and it will ask you there is if you guys can see that record mic or not. You guys need to click on this. It should be green if you want to record your voice with the mobile. If you don't want to record your voice, it's okay, you guys can leave as it is. So this is how you record your voice with the video, and then you guys need to click start broadcast and it will say 3 2 1 and now it's working. This is how it will work, and then you guys can record your screen. And after that, if you want to stop it, you guys don't need to go back into the app. You guys can just click on the top red line and it will ask you to stop. Just stop, and then in order to save the video, you guys need to go into the app. You guys need to go into the drafts, and from there you guys can save the video. So this is how you guys can screen record your video. There is no limit and it's very easy, free app for you to record your screen on iPhone. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks a lot.